Okay guys, so you see the construction fence going on, up there. Oh yeah, you'll see what's going on. You see that vehicle right there? Right there? Oh yeah, I'll show you when you park. Park right here. I had to park. You see the construction fence in here? Something's going on here. Under video surveillance or surveillance, all contractors working on job shall abide by the and guidelines. This is a hard hat area. Danger. This is a hard hat area. No smoking in the premise. There's no. Because something's going on in there. Right, guys. Here it is, guys. Bam. Bam. They're getting rid of the house. It's finally gone. Alright, let's continue back. Oh yeah, and for cars, no parking. But since I have a bike, I parked. Now we're gonna go around. Oh yeah, let's show you this view. Oh my god. Wow. They still have those things. And they got rid of the staircase. As you see there, they got rid of the staircase and they got rid of all the remnants of it. Now we're gonna go around. It's right over here and see what we can see. This is very weird. Alright guys. Still parked right there. If we go around over here and go on the grass, which we will do, and we'll get a good view. Alright, let's head on the grass. I know this is illegal, but I have to get the footage, you know? Alright, let's peek up on. Oh, bam.